What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new Hercules DJControl Impulse 500 DJ controller. So this is basically the biggest DJ controller that was produced by Hercules. We've been doing their reviews on this channel for years now. We reviewed their older controllers, I think some of the smaller Impulse controllers. We also reviewed the Jog Vision, which was my favorite controller that they had to date. And now they have the new DJ Impulse 500. This comes bundled with Serato DJ Lite or dejuiced, so you can choose whichever software you want to use. Or you can also upgrade to Serato DJ Pro for an additional fee, and that way you can unlock some more of the cool software features within Serato DJ Pro. The controller comes in at $299, which makes it perfect for competing for those who need lightweight, smaller controllers or beginner style controllers, because that $250 to $300 price point is right where you want to be at when you're trying to get into this game. So you can check out the box here. On the front, you can see some of the controller. On the back that you guys are looking at now, you can see more of the controller. It shows you some of the highlights and some of the features on the box. Again, this is definitely the biggest controller that Hercules has made to date. So we'll see if that translates into being a better controller overall. Right here on the front, you can see some of their related products. They show you their headphones and their different monitors that they have for DJs and production use. Open the box up. First thing we get on top here is a really nice braided style USB cable. Actually, usually they just give you a black generic style cable, but this is actually a nice multicolored braided fabric style cable here. Feels very tough, very durable. Good to see stuff like that in the box. Anything in here? Nothing more in there. Nothing more in there. You have your quick instruction manual, start guide. They also tell you how to download the different software that you need. You can go to the Serato DJ website and download the latest Serato DJ Lite, or you can go to the Dejuiced website and download the latest of the Dejuiced software. So we'll have the review for you guys within the next couple weeks. Again, this is just the first unboxing and first impressions video, but we're going to have the full out review within the next week or so, because this doesn't have too many crazy features on it, so I should be able to knock this one out a little bit quicker for you guys. But you have some pretty nice sized jog wheels, pretty big jog wheels. You have your 4 performance pads down here. You have a cool layout where it looks like it's a nice separation between your deck areas and your mixer areas. You also have your play pause buttons right on the same side where they need to be. You also have your pitch faders on the same sides in correlation to the other deck. Then you have your high, mid, low EQ along with your filter / effect knob here. Your faders are here in the middle. Of course, on the back you have your unbalanced TRS, master, out TRS. Then you have your unbalanced RCA. You also have a mic and 2 auxiliary inputs here. You have your mini and your RCA auxiliary inputs along with your USB. And that's about all you get. So this must be a USB powered controller, which is pretty cool. You don't need to actually plug this into the wall anywhere. And we're going to really get deep dive into this bad boy right when we do our review video. It also has something really cool here on the bottom. It has feet, just in case you want to stand this up. The feet kind of remind me of something on the Machine Studio, if you guys ever seen that review. So that way you can stand this controller up bigger than it would normally be if you just had it laying flat down on the desk. So make sure you guys hit the thumbs up if you like to see unboxing videos like this one. Make sure you definitely subscribe so that way you know exactly when the new video reviews are coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.